Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. Is it okay if I sit here?
Of course, feel free to take a seat.
Thanks. Could I get the menu, please?
Here you go. Take your time to decide.
Thanks, I'll have a look.
No rush. Let me know when you're ready to order.
I'm ready. I'll have the grilled chicken with chips, please.
Would you like a side salad with that?
Yes, please. A small one.
Sure. Anything to drink?
I'll have a glass of water, please.
Still or sparkling water?
Just still water, thanks.
Great choice. I'll get it for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else I can get for you?
Not for now, thanks.
All right, I'll bring your order shortly.
Sounds great, thanks.
A few minutes later.
Here is your grilled chicken with chips and a side salad.
It looks amazing.
Enjoy your meal. Let me know if you need anything else.
Will do, thank you.
After a while.
Excuse me. Could I get the bill, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right away.
Thanks.
After the bill is brought.
Here's your bill. Take your time.
Thanks. Do you accept cards?
Yes, we do.
Great. I'll pay with my cards.
After payment.
Thank you for dining with us today. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you, have a nice day too.
Take care.
Bye.
Hey, how's everyone doing?
We're all good. How about you?
Same here. Just been busy with work.
I can imagine you're always working hard.
Haha. Trying to keep up with everything.
That's good. So, have you had any time to relax?
Not much. But I'm planning to take the weekend off.
Sounds good. You deserve it.
Thanks. How's everything at home?
I'll find here. Your dad's been busy with the garden again.
Oh, really? What's he planting now?
He's planted some new flowers and a few fruit trees.
That sounds lovely. I bet the garden looks beautiful now.
Yeah, it's looking great. He's so proud of it.
I can imagine.
He always talks about it when I call. Haha, yes, he can't stop talking about his garden.
That's adorable.
You know how he is?
Definitely. Anyway, what about Mom? How's she doing?
She's good. Just busy with housework.
Sounds like she never stops.
Haha, yes. Always working on something.
Tell her I miss her.
I'll let her know she misses you too.
I'll be home soon.
We're looking forward to seeing you.
I can't wait. It's been too long.
I know, right?
Time really flies.
It does. How's little brother?
He's good. He's been working on his studies and playing football